your go-to space for mastering Oracle Fusion Finance. In today's video, we will dive into accounts payable module and break down the accounting entry step by step. Whether you are a beginner exploring ERP workflows or professional brushing up on compliance, this video will help you give clarity. You will need to understand how entries flow in AP. So let's get started. First, we will see procure to pay journal entries. In the event when we receive the goods in the staging area, the accounting entry would be like receiving inventory debit, AP accrual credit. So, receiving inventory, it will pick from receiving options, and AP accrual account, it will pick from purchasing options. When we moved the goods from staging area to sub inventory, material account debit, receiving inventory credit. Material account, it will pick from inventory options. Receiving inventory, it will pick from receiving options. While creating an invoice, AP accrual debit, liability credit. It will pick from supplier side or common options for payables and procurement task. While making payment, liability debit, cash clearing credit. It will pick from bank. Reconciliation. While performing reconciliation, cash clearing debit, cash credit, cash account credit, standard invoice entry, AP accrual debit, liability credit, debit and credit memo entries, liability debit, AP accrual credit, prepayment entries. While creating prepayment invoice, prepayment account debit, liability credit. Both of these will pick from supplier. While making payment to prepayment, liability debit, cash credit. While applying prepayment to standard invoice, liability debit, prepayment credit. Interest invoice entry, interest invoice entry while making payment. Interest expense debit, it will pick from financial options, liability debit, cash credit. Expense report, item expense debit, liability credit. Payment request invoice entry, item expense debit, liability credit. Future dated payment entries. When bill issued, item expense debit, bills payable credit. When maturity date confirmed, bills payable debit, liability credit. And bills payable, it will pick from supplier or financial options. Withholding tax entries. When withholding tax applied on standard invoice, item expense debit, liability credit, withholding credit. Withholding account, it will pick from withholding tax codes. Auto-generated withholding tax entry, item expense debit, liability credit. Retainage release accounting entries. When invoice matched with PO accounting, accrual debit, liability credit, retainage credit. And it will pick from financial options. While making payment to the invoice matched with PO, liability debit, cash credit. When retainage release invoice matched with PO, retainage debit, liability credit. While making payment to retainage release invoices, liability debit, cash credit, multi-period accounting entries. When you create an invoice, accrual clearing account debit, AP liability account credit. When you run, create multi-period accounting ESS job at month end, item expense debit, accrual clearing account credit. Note, for every month, same general entry will be created in this event. Refund payment entry, cash debit, AP liability credit. That wraps our walkthrough of accounting entries in accounts payable module. I hope this helped simplify the process and gave you confidence in handling AP transactions. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel ERPZEN for more Oracle Fusion tutorials. Drop your questions or experiences in comments. Until next time, keep learning and growing with our channel ERPZEN. Thank you.